Alrighty, today is October 12th. It is Friday. Yes, it is Friday. I am actually on time for this, but anyways, I am going to go on a trip, so I'm going to upload this as soon as I finish this. I apologize for it being late, but today's sketch is going to be Spyro. Spyro. Alright, let's get started. In 3, 2, 1. There we go. Alright, so in a minute we have this right here. And as in tradition, I'm just going to keep doing what I do, finish it out. So let's get started. So, in 13 minutes and some odd seconds, we got this here. Or if I can show you on the book. Let me move the camera. Perfect. Bam. My man Spyro. Alright, well, till next time, thanks for watching. Peace, love, and all hot sauce, and I'll catch y'all later.